Since 1999, the 26th of July has been observed as Kargil Vijay Diwas, which is a symbol of the valor and fighting spirit of the Indian Armed Forces. The day also commemorates the success of Operation Vijay that was launched to recapture Pakistan-occupied Indian territories along the Kargil-DRASS sector. At a program to mark the 22nd anniversary of the Kargil Vijay Diwas, Chief Minister of Meghalaya CONRAD SANGMA and Lieutenant General KC Panchanathan, AVSM GOC 101 area, had garlanded the busts of the two Meghalaya Bravehearts, Captain Clifford K. NONGRUM MVCP and Major David MANLUN KCP, who sacrificed their lives for the nation. Later, CONRAD SANGMA also interacted with family members of the soldiers. At a similar function at the RHINO PRERNA STHAL, Air Marshal AMIT Dev, AVSM VSM AOC-in-Charge, Eastern Air Command, Lieutenant General KC Panchanathan, AVSM GOC 101 area, and Lieutenant General PC NAIR, AVSM YSM DGAR laid wreaths in memory of the heroes who sacrificed their lives during Operation Vijay. The function was also attended by serving personnel and veterans.